Italy finished clear winners of this group with 7 points. Injury time equalisers for Austria, first against Cameroon and then against Chile, meant that all three of these teams could still qualify with one match to go. Austria were then eliminated after losing their final game to Italy, despite scoring once again in injury time. Chile conceded equalisers in all their games, but their 3 draws were enough for them to qualify in second place and advance with a record-low 3 points. Standings: Italy advanced to play Norway, runner-up of Group A, in the round of 16. Chile advanced to play Brazil, winner of Group A, in the round of 16. Matches: Italy vs Chile, Cameroon vs Austria, Chile vs Austria, Italy vs Cameroon, Italy vs Austria, Chile vs Cameroon.